Hi, this is Chief Meteorologist Matthew Hugo here at UKWF for the latest Farming Forum weather forecast, taking a quick look at the expected weather throughout the course of the coming working week. And starting with a quick look at satellite images to highlight a few features of interest, and obviously clearly the weather over the last few days has indeed settled down due to a region of high pressure. Now there is some cloud across the UK at the moment. This region of cloud here has been bringing some rain across parts of northern and eastern Scotland overnight, but this is now clearing away to the east, and there's just about a visible band of cloud here on satellite imagery, which is in association with a weakening region of patchy rain and drizzle now moving down into northern England. Otherwise there is a lot of cloud-free skies across the UK to start Monday, with some local mist, fog and frost in what is a particularly chilly start as well in places. Now in general, high pressure across the British Isles and northwest areas of Europe in particular will maintain fine and settled conditions this week. You can see a more significant region of cloud well to the west of the UK. These are active weather systems which won't be allowed to move into the UK, as our area of high pressure essentially keeps us fine and dry throughout most of the coming week. Just taking a quick look at our latest rainfall radar imaging, you can see those outbreaks of rain now clearing away to the east of Scotland into the North Sea, and there's that increasingly weakening band of patchy rain and showers and some local drizzle as well moving down into northern England, but that will continue to fragment further to just leave behind a legacy of rather cloudy conditions across northern England through the rest of the day. As you can see, otherwise elsewhere a lot of fine and dry weather. So we'll now take a look at some forecast weather charts to highlight the expected weather this week, starting with the bigger picture and obviously covering the UK and Europe here. And as you can see, as I progress through the sequence over the next couple of days, high pressure, this region here, continues to remain slow moving over the United Kingdom. There will be some local day-to-day changes in the details. For example, a few showers may well develop across far eastern and southeastern areas of England and East Anglia towards the middle of the week on quite a chilly east or northeasterly breeze. But generally, there is a lot of fine and dry weather this week, and even by the time we get to the end of the week, you can see that an area of high pressure is still influential across most areas of the UK, with atmospheric pressure up to around about 1,032 across more northern and western areas of the UK. Here we are on Friday the 16th at around about 6 AM. So another week of predominantly dry and fine weather this week. So let's zoom in now and take a closer look at the UK through the course of the coming few days. And here we are, Monday 12th at around about mid-morning. There's those outbreaks of rain clearing away into the North Sea, and there's the patchy rain and drizzle moving southwards across northern England. But as you can see, as we progress towards the rest of Monday through into Monday evening, many areas are clearly dry. At the afternoon, brighter sunny spells, but then quickly turning chilly beneath any clear skies this evening. On into Tuesday night and through into Tuesday morning, and perhaps a few isolated showers across eastern Scotland and eastern areas of England. But generally, as you can see, with high pressure dominating, it is another dry start to Tuesday, again with some bright or sunny spells, but with local mist, fog and frost. Not a great deal changes through Tuesday. High pressure again dominating, so another dry day with bright or sunny spells, but there will be a developing east or northeasterly breeze across many central and southern areas of England and Wales, which will accentuate quite a chilly feel to the weather. As we move on into Tuesday night and through into Wednesday, and that northeasterly breeze may then begin to allow for some showers to move into parts of East Anglia and southeastern areas of England. So this far southeastern corner of England may well see a few showers during the midweek period, but as you can see elsewhere, mid-afternoon on Wednesday the 14th, high pressure still influential with a lot of fine and dry weather. Again, brighter sunny spells and just variable amounts of cloud. That northeasterly breeze will continue across most of central and southern England, again making for a chilly feel, but elsewhere winds generally light and variable. As we move into Thursday, a weak weather front will try and move in from the north and northwest, so a few showers still continuing across the far southeastern regions of England, and here's this weather system moving into parts of central and northern Scotland as we begin Thursday the 15th. Now, because this weather front is moving into a region of high pressure, it will steadily weaken as it moves southwards, and you can see that process by the time we get to the middle of the afternoon on Thursday and into Thursday evening, with just residual patchy rain and drizzle moving down into parts of Ireland and also down into parts of northern England as well. So maybe some precipitation across the far north of the British Isles by the time we get to Thursday, but overall we generally end the week mainly dry, fine and settled still as high pressure dominates. This northeasterly breeze potentially still bringing a few showers across East Anglia and southeastern areas of England, but otherwise it is a fine and dry end to the week elsewhere with some bright or sunny spells. And finally, just a quick look at the temperatures. I've selected Tuesday the 13th here, middle of the afternoon, as the temperatures on Tuesday are quite representative of the temperatures overall through most of the coming week. And as you can see, temperatures only ranging between around about 10 and 14 degrees Celsius, which is a little bit below average for the time of year. And as I've already indicated, that east or northeasterly breeze across central and southern areas of England and Wales will accentuate this rather chilly feel. Just progressing through into Tuesday evening and on into Wednesday morning, as you can see, just as an example, you can see by the time we get to around about 6 a.m. on Wednesday the 14th, many rural areas in particular of Scotland, down into northern England, parts of the Midlands, Wales and across into Ireland are seeing temperatures very close to freezing. So quite a widespread ground frost is expected at times this week by night, and there will also be some local air frosts as well as 2-metre temperatures approach 0 degrees. So clearly a lot of dry and fine weather this week, but it will be distinctly chilly and feeling particularly autumnal both early and late in the day. So that's all the latest information for the weather for this coming week. Thanks for tuning in, and we will have further updates in the coming days.